See this? Hey guys, welcome back to Mario's try on haul. Ooh, I love this sword. I'm gonna get it. We're out here going to saddle run. Okay. Hi. Hey. Oh my god, we just did some fucking damage. I was in there and I couldn't find anything for the first like 30 minutes and I was like, ugh, why do I hate shopping? Because I haven't shopped in so long and I was like, why can't I find anything? Like, this fucking sucks. But then I was like, I'm just being so picky because I haven't bought anything in so long that like I'm extra picky. But I'm like, dude, everything here is like $20, $15, $25. Like, you don't have to be so picky because whenever I'm ordering online or searching like in a real store, I'm super picky because everything's like $50, $80, you know? But I was like, you know what? Just buy shit, Mai. So anyways, I bought a lot of things. She also got a bunch of pieces. I'll do a haul when I'm at home.
Matching stuff.
Yeah, we got a lot of things together, but the Silver Lake flea market is so good. I used to go to the Melrose. That shit's trash. Here we walked around and there's like so many clothes to pick from, but in Melrose you only have like a couple. I really liked it. But it's so hot. We're gonna head home. Oh my god, I just calculated it and I spent $660. But look at all of this stuff that I got. I literally have a new wardrobe. And for $660, that is very good for the amount of pieces that I got. Look at all the new clothes that I have. Oh, I'm so excited. I bought a pair of jeans. Oh my god, they were actually my favorite find out of this whole thrifting trip. Like, it's so unique. Like, I love the wash, I love the pockets, I love the fit, but they don't fit me. But I bought them because they were so cool and I had to have them. But I was like, oh, if they don't fit, then Danny can have them because they are so sick and they fit her. And I'm jealous that they fit her, but at the same time, I'm so glad we picked them up because they are too fucking good. Y'all need to see them on. Do you know how mad I am that these jeans don't fit? Look how unique. No, but the perfect length too, so when you wear sneakers, they kind of go over them. And then look at these pockets, look at the wash, look at these little fucking details on it. I love these little red details. Oh my god, I am upset. We're trying everything on right now, but oh my god, I got these jeans and they fit so fucking nicely. I love how there's a little bit of length at the end so that when I wear sneakers, they'll hang. I got these for 20 bucks, bro. Oh my god, $20? Are you fucking kidding me? Oh my god, I love. And then if I'm like not feeling like looking like so much of a boy, but I still want to wear some like pants, these are really good. Wow, look at it, makes the butt look so good. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed, bro. These pants were $25. I love the color of them and how light they are, and they have like a zipper at the bottom. So like, let's say I'm wearing sneakers and I want them to be super baggy, I could just go like this and they'll like go over my sneakers, you know? I could wear these as low-waisted as I want. Oh my god. I already have pants like this, but I just stay in white clothes a lot, so I want to get another pair. But they're just like flowy pants in case I'm like not feeling so boyish or like on vacation or whatever. Woo! I love these. All right, I'm gonna continue this haul later, but I have to go head out to Hollywood because I'm gonna go hang out with Mario and Amari. We're gonna go to the Trading Post, but I'm gonna continue the haul later. Trust me, we got like a lot more to go. But I'm gonna show you all the fit. I'm just wearing the same thing that I wore this morning, but I just haven't taken any pictures yet. So we're wearing these jeans from Jaded London. This top is from Daniel Guizzo, I don't know, I'll insert it on screen. And then I'm wearing like this Hawaiian choker thing that I got from Amazon. And then this is what I just bought at the Silver Lake flea market. I love the ties though. I just feel like it adds a little something something. And then I'm just wearing the same bag that I got. This is vintage. It's from Into Archive, I think. I got it like a year ago and I never wore it. I was like, fuck, I gotta start wearing my bags. Anyways, I'm so excited. Look at me socializing. Are y'all proud of me? We're with Amari and Mario right now.
Bet y'all thought you seen the last of me. I'm here infiltrating every channel you're ever gonna watch.
Oh my god, he's everywhere. We're currently at the Melrose Trading Post. That's the vibe. But look at his hair.
I'm trying to be Kendall Jenner.
He's coming for you, Kendall. Watch out. We're gonna go shopping. I want to buy some accessories. Oh, fuck, I almost ate shit. I want to buy some accessories, maybe some rings, some earrings. He's gonna try to find a leather jacket. Do you have anything that you want?
I'm actually not really hunting for anything. I have too many clothes in my closet. But if you want to shop my Depop, tpop.com/Mars.
Link down below. Make sure to click it. Use code MAI to get 20% off your first. I'm kidding. Anyways, I haven't been to Melrose in so long, but honestly, not gonna lie, we were just talking about it. It kind of makes us anxious because everyone goes there and you run into everyone and it's just not it. But
there's a specific person we don't want to see sucking on a popsicle running around this place. We're not going to say who, but go ahead and drop a comment down below and guess.
If you've never been to LA and you're like coming here as a tourist, come to the Melrose Trading Post if you're trying to see anybody. When I was here last, I saw Angus Cloud, what's his name on Euphoria? Fez, I saw Fez literally just sitting and chilling and vibing. Hey guys, welcome back to Mario's try on haul. First, we have this black leather jacket. What do we think? What do we think? Yes. Okay, Kendall Jenner. That's really fucking good. Okay, okay.
Just a little spin, a little ass shake.
Ooh. This is giving very much James Charles vibes. What is this? What the fuck? Ooh, I love this sword. I'm gonna get it. Ooh, this one's cute too. We're currently buying jewelry right now because I want to like accessorize because I saw Amari has all these rings and I'm like, oh, he's so fly. I'm trying to be like him. So
I love my jewelry.
I just
it makes
spend
me
money on
it makes
jewelry.
me feel better about myself. You'd be surprised how much jewelry can amplify an outfit.
Right? Like even if you wear the most basic outfit, you could look like a cool
Exactly.
ass bitch.
Sweatsuit in the airport, you got tons of rings on.
Okay,
People suddenly treat you
stylist.
nicer.
And that's on jewelry privilege. Ooh, I literally have that Oatly rug and y'all asked me where it's from. I got it from the Melrose Trading Post, by the way. If you don't know what the Melrose Trading Post is, basically there's like a bunch of tents around and then there's like a bunch of shops with like clothes, jewelry, all that stuff. It's like really popular and it's only on Sundays, but not gonna lie, the Melrose one isn't as good as the Silver Lake one, but it is more popular because it's like in LA, but things are a lot more overpriced and I feel like it's like not as thrifty. It's more like curated for the trends and everything like that.
Oh yeah.
But oh my god, I just met a subscriber. Wait, your name's Dustin?
I'm Dustin.
Which
Hi.
is the Melrose Trading Post. He has a very cool shirt. I love the vibe.
Thank you.
I love the whole
I can't
vibe.
believe you vlog with this.
Why? Is it really
And
big?
restaurants and shit too.
Yeah, like this camera's huge. Like I don't think you guys understand when I say that. Like
I respect your
I'm, like,
confidence
walking
so much.
around.
I aspire to vlog like my work. Zero shit. Just be as confident as
wait,
possible.
do you do YouTube as well?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I'll link that shit down below. Wait, what is it?
Dustin Vung.
VUONG. I'll link that shit, y'all.
2 seconds later.
Oh my god, I just met more subscribers, Cindy and Nancy. They're visiting from Texas?
Yeah, Texas.
Shout out to Texas. Woo! Currently, we're waiting for Mario to piss in the female bathroom.
No discrimination here.
All right, do you want to give us a little outfit of the day?
Shoes, obviously, you know, cookies and cakes, my love, my Jordan Low Shadows. These shorts, they're just like a cute little cowboy moment from Alfred Eden Official. The shirt, I don't know, probably robbed it from somewhere.
How about the hat? How about the hat?
Hat, like Tina's closet.
Okay, all right. Hit it with the outfit of the day. Let's go.
Wait, I don't know where my stuff's from. Okay,
He's a thrifting queen.
wait, actually none of this is thrifted.
Wait, no, but those pants are really cool though.
These are from, check my ass, check my ass. I was looking for the bathroom.
Urban Outfitters,
Urban
baby.
Outfitters, baby. This hoodie's from literally Larry's closet. Sorry, Larry, I think I stole it. This bag. Let's not talk about it. I like it's from New York. It's from Prada. Yeah. It's from Prada.
You got it on Canal Street if y'all know where that is. We're currently at Mario's apartment in LA. He was actually gonna live in my apartment. He toured it, like my last house in LA. But landlord, if you're watching this, or the girl that manages it, she was a bitch. She was talking mad shit about me and they charged me $10,000 in damages. But we're currently at his apartment and he's gonna get ready for a photo shoot because he's that girl. He's hot girl shit. So do you wanna walk us through your makeup tutorial?
Hi guys, it's Chucky. It's really Chucky. I look like Chucky right now. Can y'all see my pores?
Oh, they most definitely can.
Oh, let me back up. Okay, this, little bit of this, little bit of this, and a little bit of this. Keeps it natural and keeps it cute.
I'm gonna do a little apartment tour for y'all. We're in Mario's apartment right now. Basically, he was like into the vibe of mine, but I like his so much better. It's just because the landlord was a bitch, so he didn't want to rent. But his is so much better. So you walk in and you see this hallway, and then you have the guest bathroom. Is this not a fucking vibe? We're doing a little MTV.
Let me explain. This is getting changed because this light is god awful. Like, look at that.
Oh.
This is new.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, and then this stuff, don't even look at that, that's not even here. This is my, you know, Jeffree Star has that vault with
Yeah.
the Birkins.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have one with like not Birkins at all, but it's like,
Okay.
This is where I just like keep my shoes and bags because it doesn't fit in the other one.
Okay.
Yeah, so we have that. Then we have, you know, really blessed, never stressed. I have a little like laundry unit. And then yeah, you walk into the main living area. Honestly, you can explain it. I don't even know how to explain a house tour.
All right, so this is my apartment. I actually pay only $10,000 a month, and I think it's like pretty affordable just because I have free parking. But yeah, here we have a mirror so my narcissistic ass can look at my fat juicy ass. Here we have this piano because I'm actually trying to be an artist. That's why I moved out to LA, you know. Here we have this couch that my dog pees on.
Oh my God, it's true.
And then we have this fat TV. How many inches is it?
Like 85 or something.
Wow, that's really big.
Yeah. I'm like, it's not about the size, but it is.
I've never had that big before. You know, we have the clothes and we have the gaming setup because I'm a gamer girl.
Wait, you kind of slay. Like, this honestly would be a vibe.
Here we have my vanity where I get ready every single day. Then we have my closet. Wow.
Wait, okay, I'm not kidding, I'm actually kind of proud of that. Do you like it? It's like so
It
Y2K.
adds like a pop of color. It has a little pussy pop.
It's a vibe.
And then we have my bed, you know, where all the action happens.
No action.
Oh my god. But for real, I'm eating his bathroom up, bro. Like, you can put a little camera here. This lighting is so fucking good. You have one for like brushing your teeth, one for washing your face. Now this is what fucking got me. He has a shelf right here. Imagine putting a tripod, like a mini tripod right there, and recording yourself showering.
Girl, that's for OnlyFans.
Which you guys can go to Amari's OnlyFans, link down in the description box. Alright, I just hung out with Mario and Amari. That was my first time seeing them in so long, like maybe 2 years, because I used to be like fans of them. Oh, they don't know this. Oh, now that you're watching, hi. I used to be fans of them because I used to be the biggest fucking fan of Tana. And I remember seeing them at Playlist Live like 2 years ago, and I was like, oh my god! No, I love them. They're so sweet. And Mario's apartment, whew! Now I'm gonna go head over to Caitlin Ray's. If y'all know who Caitlin Ray is, she's fucking iconic. I feel like me and her are on the same wavelength about being impulsive and like just doing shit, which I love. But that's where I'm headed right now. Oh my god, can we just talk for a second? I feel like I haven't talked to you in so long. I haven't socialized this much. Actually, no, in New York I did, but like it's something new for me. But like I don't want to sound like I'm lonely, but I've gotten so introverted, but in a way where I was just like so comfortable being alone, which like we love, but at the same time I got too comfortable with being alone. I'll go through phases where I'll talk to people and then I overthink everything that I said, and then it honestly just makes me feel like shit. It makes me feel so anxious, and it's not the person that I'm hanging out with, it's just my head that's fucked up, you know what I mean? Like the issue that I have is not making friends. The issue is convincing my brain that I am not saying the wrong shit. And yeah, like y'all ever just like talk to people and then while you're talking to them you're thinking about how everything that you say sucks and that they're gonna hate you? Because me. But I'm like getting out of that phase right now. Like I'll go through phases, and right now I'm not in that stage, so that's why I'm hanging out with people. Anyways, that's my little rant. We're gonna go hang out with somebody else now. Woo! Okay, I'm at Caitlin's right now. Currently, we're watching her fucking Coachella vlog. It is a whole ass movie. It is a 40-minute episode of chaos, Harry Styles, Revolve Fest. You all need to watch it, but
everything you could ever want more.
We ordered food so that we could snack and eat while we watch this fucking episode. She took 3 weeks to edit this bitch. I'll link it down below, or you guys can, actually no, I'm not gonna click the card here because y'all gonna click out, but I'll link it down below. Watch it after, especially if you're a fan of Harry.
You are the best for that.
What did we get? What did we get?
Dude.
Oh my god. These fucking fries, bro.
Yes.
Oh, this is the best food ever.
Okay.
I realize that this lighting is trash, but just bear with me. I'm currently sitting in my car because I scheduled to go to a workout class with my friend Amanda. I've never done this workout class, and I showed up 5 minutes late, and I didn't want to walk in, so I texted her and I was like, you know what? You let me know when you're done your workout class, and we will meet up after. Walking into a workout class in LA late, and it's my first workout class, I'm good. I'm good. That is literally asking for anxiety. Now we're sitting in my car, and I'm chilling. I'm just gonna do my makeup while I wait.
2 seconds later.
The most awkward shit just happened. I thought it was her, and she was like walking towards the car, and I have my glasses on, so I just like opened the door so aggressively because I was gonna say hi. It's not fucking her. Like I feel so bad for this girl next to me. She's probably like, what the f. Alright, I am at breakfast right now. I did not go into the workout class, but we are at breakfast now. But I'm with Amanda.
Hello.
But how was your workout class? How was your workout class?
Lonely.
I just like, I couldn't bear myself to walk in awkwardly, so I was like, now we're here. I got this scramble with mushrooms, onion, and garlic with some fruit on top and some salad. What'd you get? What'd you get?
I got an omelet with Lord knows what in it. I just picked like 7 different things off the menu.
Oh my god, I also got a hot oat milk latte. Wow. I usually get ice.
Neither of us meant to order.
Right? No, I usually get ice, but I don't know why we didn't get ice this time. Anyways, we're gonna eat. Alright, I just finished shopping. What's funny is I went up to the ballet guy and I was like, hi, is this the ballet ticket? And he looked at me, he's like, this is your car? And I was like, yeah. And they were just like stunned because like I look like shit. Well, I don't even look like that bad, but I'm like, I like just like looked bummy and out of it. So I think that they were shocked. Anyways, I'm currently in an Equinox parking lot because I have this event to go to at 8 o'clock and I didn't want to drive all the way home. So I decided that I was just gonna go to Equinox and get ready and shower there because I'm paid too much anyway, so might as well use it. Because I've been like basically living out of my car. I slept in my car yesterday night because I was out and like it was like 2 a.m. and I just didn't want to drive home. So I just literally pulled into a neighborhood, reclined this shit back and just fell asleep and woke up the next morning and it was amazing sleep. Am I gross? No, I just slept in my car. What's so wrong with that? Hello, welcome. Okay, so I have Amanda and Oliver in the car now. But basically we're gonna head to this, what is it?
Top Gun like party.
It's like a release party. They're not playing the movie though. I don't know.
At Saddle Ranch, and if you don't know,
Like an
Saddle
after
Ranch.
party from the movie like 2 days ago, I think.
Okay, I mean we all have not watched it. We don't know what to expect, but we're gonna head over there right now. But Saddle Ranch is a little bit questionable, but I think it should be fun. At least we're doing something. We're out here going to Saddle Ranch. I feel like it's like what year was it? Like 2020. Everyone used to come here, like all the TikTokers when everyone was bored, and it's so funny because like no one comes here anymore. Party. Woo, woo, woo. Oh my god, it's Sydney. Wait, no, come here, Jake. What the heck? I haven't seen Sydney in so long. Well, also, hello, Slay. What the fuck? We're at this Top Gun event right now. I don't really really know what the vibe is though. Like, what are we supposed to do is my question.
I'm just trying to find Tom.
All right, let's do a little mukbang moment. How would you rate it? How would you rate it?
11 out of 10.
What do you got going on right now? What is this?
A cheese quesadilla.
A cheese quesadilla. Ooh. All right, a little puppet moment. Okay, go movie star. Ah, okay. Oh my God, I'm such a little influencer. She got 200 and I got 130. Ugh. Our love ski ball though is my favorite. Okay, I'm playing darts now.
That was so bad.
It is slowly but surely getting better. Are y'all about a 1v1? Y'all about a 1v1?
Okay, let's see. What is she at? 18?
But it hasn't counted like half of them, I swear.
Hey, yo, Kyrie, can we get a pick? Can we get a pick? She's under pressure. Let's go, Danny. I'm literally doing so good right now. Someone needs to draft her into the WNBA right now. She's multi-talented.
Happening right now.
Get a girl that can do it all, for real. He really is just palming the basketballs. Oh my God, that's talent right there. We have treats here. We have the cake pop. It's really good for a cake pop. Like, you know how cake pops are usually like dry like pussy? We have the donut. My hands are shaking right now. It's not exciting. Cheers. It's okay. And then we have the cookie. Cheers. I really like the cookie. We have this puck. I don't know what this is though. It's a chocolate covered Oreo. Then we have this macaron. I'm shaking right now, like I actually am shaking. Oh my God, I have anxiety right now. I'm literally just like talking to myself at the snack table. This is my second favorite thing. It's good. Wait, but look at this. Look at this little popsicle. Cheers. This one's pretty good too. Okay, so I just went out to that top for the event or whatever. I was like, oh my God, I kind of want to journal. So I went out to this cafe that's open till 2 a.m. and I brought my journals and shit. I'm literally just sitting here alone in a booth and I'm gonna journal. But I got some lentil soup and this fat ass salad. I kind of miss doing things alone, but not actually, but at the same time, yeah, I love my alone time, but it's been really fun socializing, but I was like, I need to just sit down and journal because I need to process what the my life has been because so many fun things have been happening. I really want to like be grateful for it and process it, you know what I mean? Because I feel like things have been just so on the go and like so many things are happening, which is amazing, but I also want to soak it all in, you know, and I feel like I haven't been doing that. I just want to sit down, journal, figure it out. Hi! Hey! So, I'm with Haley Pham right now. If you don't know, we have the same birthday. We're both Vietnamese, we're both YouTubers, and we are both in LA right now.
And we have Pham in our name. Mine's not actually my last name, but...
Wait, what's your last name? Oh, I feel like I know this. I've known this, but I didn't know.
It's Trahan.
Basically, if you don't know, back when I was 16 and you were what, 18?
Yeah.
You just turned 18. I met with her in Texas and we filmed a video together, but we haven't seen each other since. But we used to get comments all the time being like, oh my God, are you guys sisters? Anyways, today we're gonna be going around and doing things. Being sisters for 24 hours.
That's a good title.
In the west, racking up on my bread, power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking I should've rest.